Hey guys, once again we come to you with some cool gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Today we are taking a look over 11 banned gadgets you can still buy. You can find the links on the description, and I hope you will enjoy the video. Number 1. Folding Sickle Black Sharp. Calling all role-playing game fans and collectors. If you're on the hunt for something truly unique, your search ends here. Say hello to the high-sharp folding sickle, a remarkable collector's item that is sure to impress. Crafted with precision from high-quality stainless steel, the blade of this sickle has been meticulously cut multiple times, ensuring unparalleled sharpness that will exceed your expectations. Whether you're a devoted collector or simply appreciate exceptional craftsmanship, this sickle is a perfect addition to your arsenal. Number 2. Electric Lockpick Gun. Unlocking the world of possibilities, we present to you the electric lockpick gun, a revolutionary high-tech gadget that will change the game of lockpicking. With its powerful and precise motor, this device is set to impress. Say goodbye to the struggle of dealing with rigid locks. The electric lockpick gun is designed to quickly and effortlessly unlock even the toughest locks. It's a must-have for anyone interested in lockpicking, as it guarantees to elevate your skills to professional levels in no time. Number 3. Lighter Picket Knife. Are you ready to embark on thrilling outdoor escapades? Look no further than the Lighter Pick Knife, a compact and multifunctional tool designed to enhance your camping, hiking, and survival experiences. Combining the functionality of a sharp blade with a refillable lighter, this tool is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Its compact size ensures easy portability, allowing you to take it with you wherever your adventures lead. This sleek and stylish knife boasts a spring-assisted mechanism, making it incredibly easy to open and use. Number 4. Ballistic Dart Launcher. Get ready to take your dart game to new heights with the sleek and stylish Ballistic Dart Launcher. This exceptional device is not only a blast to use but also delivers a powerful punch, giving you the edge in every dart battle. Equipped with a spring-loaded firing mechanism and a high-capacity magazine, this dart launcher allows for rapid-fire action, ensuring you can unleash a barrage of darts on your opponents. With its precision and speed, you'll dominate the competition and leave no chance for your rivals to strike back. Number 5. Grill Gun Set. This versatile set includes a sleek and powerful handheld blowtorch, the SUV gun, designed to ignite your charcoal grill in a snap. But that's not all. The grill gun set also features a high-power propane torch gun that sears and finishes your meat faster than any other torch available. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to perfectly flame-broiled flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Using the grill gun set is a breeze. Its user-friendly design ensures effortless operation, and maintenance is a breeze, making it the perfect addition to any grill master's toolkit. Number 6. Karambit Pocket Knife. With its uniquely curved blade and ergonomic handle, the Karambit Pocket Knife is engineered to provide the ultimate cutting power and control. Whether it's precision slicing or more demanding cutting tasks, this knife delivers exceptional performance. What sets this knife apart is its innovative kinematic deployment system. With a simple thumb push, you can swiftly deploy the blade, ready to tackle any cutting challenge that comes your way. Experience the seamless and efficient operation that this deployment system offers. The Karambit Pocket Knife ensures durability and reliability, making it your go-to tool for all your cutting needs. Number 7. USB Killer. Compact and portable, this device is specifically designed to test the robustness of your electronic devices by simulating a power surge that can destroy them within seconds. The USB Killer offers a perfect solution to ensure that your devices are safeguarded against hackers and other malicious actors. By subjecting your electronic devices to controlled power surges, you can assess their vulnerability and fortify their defenses. Number 8. Tie Clip Camera. Step into the world of espionage with the Tie Clip Camera, the perfect tool for discreetly capturing high-quality audio and video without raising suspicion. Designed with the utmost discretion in mind, this camera allows you to record crucial evidence without anyone suspecting a thing. With its clever design, the Tie Clip Camera easily attaches to your tie or clothing, blending seamlessly into your outfit. It features a simple one-button operation, ensuring quick and hassle-free recording when you need it most. Number 9. Blast Knuckles Stun Gun. When it comes to personal safety, the Blast Knuckles Stun Gun is your ultimate companion. With its knuckle design, it provides a firm grip, ensuring both safety and effectiveness in any situation. Equipped with dual activation, an LED indicator, and an on-off switch, this stun gun guarantees reliability and ease of use. Its powerful shock delivers a staggering 950,000 volts of incredible power designed to keep you safe from potential threats. Number 10. Security Tag Magnet Remover. Say goodbye to the frustration of removing stubborn security tags from your purchased items with the Security Tag Magnet Remover. Are you tired of struggling and risking damage to your newly acquired items when trying to remove those pesky security tags? Look no further than the Security Tag Magnet Remover, the ultimate solution to this common annoyance. Compact and powerful, this magnet is specifically designed to swiftly and effectively remove security tags without causing any harm to the product itself. Number 11. Bug Wall Listening Device. Have you ever been curious about what conversations are happening on the other side of a wall? The Bug Wall Listening Device is here to satisfy your curiosity. This remarkable gadget is equipped with a powerful microphone and adjustable sensitivity, allowing it to pick up even the faintest whispers. The Bug Wall Listening Device enables you to hear sounds through walls, windows, or doors, granting you access to information that would otherwise be hidden. Its compact size and convenient features such as a charging port, headphone jack, and switch knob make it incredibly user-friendly and portable. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey exploring a range of incredible products. We hope you found inspiration and discovered new gadgets that pique your interest. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please remember to hit the like button, leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos like this.